How to fix Wuthering Waves is crashing on Steam. First, you will need to right click on the game, open up the properties, and then go to installed files and verify the integrity of game files. And once this process is finished, you can go back to the general tab, and in the launch options box, you'll need to add -dx11 command like this. Now you can close Steam. Next, you will need to open up your browser and then search for Redist. Click on the first Microsoft link, and then you will need to get to this table here, the second one, and download the 86 and the 64-bit versions, both of these, and install them. And this will basically prompt you to reboot your computer. And before doing that, you will also need to check for your graphics card updates. So for NVIDIA, you will need to install NVIDIA app to get the updates, and then go to the drivers tab from here. Select Game Ready driver, check for updates, and make sure to download and install the latest available update. And once you do that, you can proceed to restart your system. Now after the restart, before launching the game, you will need to right click on Steam and run it as admin, and then you can launch the game, and this should fix the crash problems. Thanks for watching and subscribe.